Hey everyone. As a data analyst, one of the most important skill is knowing how to work with databases. A few years ago, data used to be in large Excel spreadsheets. Today, it is hosted on the cloud, such as AWS. These cloud service providers use database systems such as Postgres. Postgres is the most popular modern day database system in high demand. We will connect to Postgres via pgAdmin. pgAdmin is the most sophisticated and advanced tool, and it is free. Now I'll show you how to install pgAdmin. Let's go to Google, type pgAdmin. That's what you'll see. Depending on if you have Windows or Mac OS, I've got Mac. So I click that link and click on the latest version. Once you click on the latest version, if you are a Mac user like me as well, you will see this. Find out what your system is. Mine's ARM. So click on this. And now it will be downloading, as you can see here. All right, so it's downloaded now. Let's click on it. Read the terms and conditions. Agree. All right, move that to applications. Almost there. Right, let's open it. Awesome. So here we are. So back to the pgAdmin tool. As you can see here, go and click Add New Server. Right, so it's asking the name. So now toggle between the LMS and pgAdmin. So create a new server. So the name, just copy paste health demo DB. Go to connection, copy paste the host name address. The default port should be 5432. so you don't need to change this. Maintenance database, change that to Vercel DB. Username, just as in the LMS, copy paste default. Once you're done with this, go to parameters. The instructions for this are just here in the LMS. The SSL mode for the value, go to require. Why we do this? It's because it's a security feature that helps us to connect securely to the database. So go and require, make this to require, and save. Oh, where did we go wrong? So no password supplied. Here, sorry, missed the password. So get the password from here. Great. And you can save password here. So all of that is done, and go and save it. So here you can see we have got connected to the healthcare health demo database. Awesome. Good luck, guys. I'll see you in the next video.